Hey, what's up guys, it's Kyle and welcome to a video review overview look at my car. I don't know what to call it. I guess we'll start with, it's a 2002 Buick LeSabre Custom. And yeah, so I guess let's go ahead and start it. Come around, it's got the 3.8 liter V6 3800 Series 2 motor. Super powerful. It's really torquey. It's like a V8, but it's not. I don't know what it is actually. Okay. You will hear it doesn't have a key and ignition dinger. That's because it has that. And the parking brake light is on, so. Alright, there she is. Has 166,457 miles. It does have a clunk. I need to rebuild the front end and steering. Yeah. So, I guess we'll go ahead and rev it. This is something I just did today. When I first bought this car, the window didn't work. The passenger window doesn't work, but the driver does now, so that's all that matters. I just gave it some injector cleaner the other day when I filled up, so it runs a lot better now. It's a lot more responsive. So yeah. Guess we'll go ahead and talk about what it needs and what I've done. So when I bought this car, it had the stock radio. The front windows didn't work. That side still doesn't. It ran like crap. It had no brakes. You'll see the brake light is on and the airbag light. I'm not sure what the airbag light is on for. I know that the brake light is on because my flash is on for some reason. The brake light is on because the parking brakes aren't set right. The pedal is broke. The cable's broke. So I had to take out the stock stereo. Before that, the driver's door speaker was unplugged. So I took out the stock stereo. I put this in. It's a $20 dual stereo from Walmart. I am going to be getting some subs for it. Hopefully in the next couple weeks. Yeah. You'll see the security light is on. That's because there's a broken wire in the column. You can see where I ran the wire for the stereo because these things, you have to run a special wire. So, yeah, let's get out and go walk around it. It is dirty. It does need washed. I guess we'll start with in here. I vacuumed it once, but I gotta vacuum it again. It's hard to tell for me anyways, because of the stuff under the seat that I missed. It has some custom floor mats. It also has, yeah, they put the sticker on the inside and the defroster broke it. Well, actually, I guess that doesn't matter. That's not my plate. Yeah, I've had this for August, September, October, so about almost 3 months now. This thing runs. It is so much quieter now. It has an air filter in it now. I changed the oil in it. Yeah. So, it's a good little car. We'll pop the hood. Had to take the hubcaps off to get the wheels off, and I haven't put them back on. I wasn't planning Wow, this thing sounds a lot quieter even now. So yeah, here it is, 3.8 V6. Very powerful, very torquey. It does have a leaking valve cover gasket, and I gotta put a new thermostat or temperature sensor in it. Other than that, it's a good car. It's had intake manifold gaskets replaced before I got it. I don't know when exactly. It's had a bunch of work done to it. It hasn't all been good, but it's been done. So, yeah. Like the window, they put a different window track in it, but the window track was actually bad. Or they broke it somehow and the window track didn't work. So you can see, we'll roll the window up. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and shut it off and hop outside here and we'll go. I would have turned the radio on, but the radio don't work, or the antenna isn't plugged in. I didn't buy an antenna adapter, so it's just a I only use it to listen to my music on my phone. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you got any questions about the car or want to see something else, let me know. Probably film when I put the subs in it. So yeah, let's go ahead and lock it. Oh yeah, the horn also doesn't work. So, but yeah, so there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.